Classic Mini Garage is sponsored by Old School Minis for all of your classic mini parts and accessories. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Right, in this episode we're going to be getting the oil pressure up on this engine and then attempt to start it up. It's a fresh build. It started off life as an Austin 1300 GT engine with the 11 stud block and whatnot. It's now a 1310cc. It's got a Evolution 001 camshaft in it, big valve head, straight cut gearbox, etc. So we'll go on now, get the oil pressure up, and then we'll go for a start. Okay, we've got the oil pressure up now, so I'm going to give it a start. I have set the ignition timing to roughly where it should be, so it should fire up. I was having issues with it, with not being able to get a spark, so it's been turning over quite a lot, so the fuel's probably got through to it by now. So anyway, we'll give it a start, see how we get on.
The fan just catching the Kelvins.
Yeah.
The plastic will wear off through.
Yeah. That's it, another customer on his way with his freshly built engine. So after a few teething problems with couldn't get a spark, we sorted that out and it's fired up okay, so happy days. Well, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.